How's it going? Welcome to Midnite Tech, and I have with me here the eagerly anticipated and long-awaited iPad Mini. Sixth generation iPad Mini, and after 5 generations of this, right, the same design from the iPad Mini 1 up to the 5th generation with the home button here, finally have new design iPad Mini with some notable differences, design changes, features that to help you with your day-to-day needs. So to start off, right, I'm going to show the unboxing video which I unboxed last night, so let's watch the unboxing. So this is the one that I wanted to get, the highlight purple color, so really excited about unboxing this. So the base model 64 gig, just Wi-Fi, and let's start the unboxing. So first up, let's look at the packaging here. So unlike the iPhones this year, you still get the plastic wrap. So yep, you can still enjoy taking the wrapper out of this package. And there we go. That feels so good. Okay, out comes the plastic cover, and here you have the box. Midnite Mini. So the box should follow the color of the iPad that you are buying. I don't know, but the purple one, you see, it says it's in purple here, you can see. Yeah. Here we go. Let's put that aside first. Of course, if you're already used to iPhones not having a power brick included, good news is that for iPads, they still have a charger, right? Comes together with it. And tell you the best thing about this iPad Mini, it is USB-C. That pleased a lot of people. So you have a USB-C to USB-C cable, and that's really great stuff. And it's only fair that they give a charger, because the previous generations, the previous iPad Mini did not have USB-C, right? So manuals, do we have matching stickers? Let's find out. Here are the manuals, and where are the Apple stickers? Here we go. No, they are clean white Apple stickers. Doesn't match the color of the iPad, purple iPad Mini. Yeah. So I'm gonna close this, and you can see the recess here, which is where the camera module sits. Bit of S-mirror here. Oh, so nice. Oh, so nice. And here you have. This video doesn't do justice of what you see personally here. It's a very nice, like, metallic purple. The color doesn't look cheap. Yeah, this is how the back looks. Right. So I actually have the old iPad Mini, which the previous generation one, which we can just compare side by side right now. So here we go. This is the previous generation iPad Mini, and let's just put them together and see how different they are in size. You can see the previous generation is slightly taller, but in terms of weight, they're almost the same. In terms of thickness, the new one is a bit thicker. Alright, and I love this new Hello screen. It's really credit to Apple, makes it a lot more friendlier. I was very excited to get this because it's a very nice size, something that I've been really looking forward to. A size that it's almost like a notebook that you can carry around, just put in your knapsack and just take notes. So this is the cool new Touch ID that you really find in the iPad Air, and this is what I'm excited, especially in these times of the pandemic. You know, it's much easier to use Touch ID than Face ID. So yeah, you gotta make sure it captures all your fingerprint. Ta-da! So that's Touch ID for you. So if you set up a previous iPad, you see you can easily transfer the settings or move apps and data if you want to, but I've chosen not to move apps and data, but I've chosen to move my settings in terms of Siri appearance and what else. And you know, I've dark mode activated on my previous iPad Pro, so it just moves across as well. There you go. So here I have in my hand now the new iPad mini. Just unboxed it. So I think it's 8.8 plus inches as compared to the previous 7.9 inches on the older iPad. There's no there's no large top and bottom bezel, so it's what you call a uniform bezel. Like, it's the same at every side in terms of the width of the bezel. I wish this bezel could be a bit smaller, but physically, if you were to compare this with the iPad Pro, smaller form factor, but the size of the bezel is exactly the same. Okay, so compare with the iPad Pro, this is 11 inch, this is how it differs in size. It's almost like a giant iPhone, right? So if you're already using something like a Samsung Fold, the iPad mini, it's Apple's best answer to that. So you would have probably an iPhone in hand and this as your largest device for you to consume media and all that. Okay, now my reason of getting this is because when I go out and I need to do transactions, I always have to take out my mask to do Face ID. And you know, of course, if you had a pair an iPhone with Apple Watch, you can unlock your device, but transactions that require authentication will still require you to take your mask off. So it's a bit it's something that I don't want to do when I'm outside. I would rather have an option of a Touch ID, and because this is so pocketable, right, goes into your knapsack, I'm going to start putting a lot of programs here and start to use this as my main go-to device. It's a nice display, not 120 Hz, but yeah, I think overall it's fine. So the physical volume buttons are actually here, and these of course have stereo speakers. So this is nicer to hold up at your bedside, and it's very nice to pocket this and to watch your favorite shows and videos. But just very quickly, this was the unboxing of the iPad mini, and please check out our upcoming review of the iPad mini. And I'm so excited to have this device now.